This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Carlton. Updated move-in ready 2-bedroom, 2 full bath first floor unit. Newer AC unit, water heater and amp, appliances all installed in 2015. Full-size washer and dryer. No carpet. Bus service provided to medical facilities and shopping. Numerous amenities include indoor pool, outdoor pool, 2 golf courses, 1 executive/par 3, restaurants, bistro and East End Cafe. Table tennis, tennis courts, shuffleboard, pickleball courts, bocce ball, clubhouse, game rooms, business center, theater and more. Medical equipment loan availability. Pride Home Warranty Service contract conveys at closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Carlton at 561-889-4603.